isn't it?
Yeah.
It's louder. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got all kinds of stuff going on today, but Bronte, we got a new owner to this car.
Man, this sucks.
Dude, we got a new owner. Dover, you sold the 4i?
Gone.
Who got it? This man right here. Yes, boys. We finally convinced Alex. Alex bought the 4i Coyote swap, so it's not going anywhere. What are you gonna do with it?
LS swap.
All right, guys. So we got to.
We gotta push this in.
Yeah, we got to get Lieutenant Dan in here. We got some stuff to show you on Lieutenant Dan. The voltage regulator. Got a battery cable, hose. Got the engine time. Got the distributor in. Carburetor is on. So the moment you've all been waiting for, there's a very good possibility Lieutenant Dan will fire to life. Yeah. Plug wires on, plugs in. Yeah. Okay. Just a little bit of gas. Yeah, buddy. And believe it or not, there's a good possibility it'll run off the TFI ignition. Could be pretty cool.
Hold on a second.
Yeah. I mean, this car was TFI originally, so I don't see why.
See it done.
Yeah. Alright, we got gas and carb.
Got lights in here.
Uh-oh. Battery's hooked up. I hear clicking. Could it be? You jump that solenoid off, we'll know. Ought to sound pretty daggone good too.
I agree.
It's got the full exhaust on it.
Yeah, that's pretty much the first time we've cranked something full exhaust.
Yeah, exactly. Normally they're just normally wide open headers. All right. That battery's kind of weak, isn't it?
Probably so.
Yeah. Turning good.
Yeah, I'll put the charger over here.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna try and juice it up a little bit and see if we can get it to bust off. All right, boys, we got another battery on here. We're gonna try it again. Yeah, it's spinning real good.
Yeah, give it a gaze. Looks like we ain't got no spark.
Yeah. I was just saying how cool it was when we got TFI on it. What I get for opening my big mouth. Alright, well, I guess we'll check spark and try it again.
I can do this.
Yeah, why not?
Bottle feed you.
Alright, guys, so we're not getting power at the coil, but watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you work his button. I'll hold fire on the coil.
Good. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Probably need to give it some throttle. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. Ready?
Yeah. You ready, huh?
Come on, buddy. Close. It's so close.
We're gonna wire this.
I'm telling you, boys, we're gonna fire it off. 2 seconds. We're gonna fire it off.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. It's alive!
Rocket's a little noise.
Yeah, we're taking it. They're idling, man. It sounds good. There's the gas. Listen to this thing. I thought thumbs up for this one. Man, hold on, you gotta hear this thing idle. Yeah, buddy. Lieutenant Dan, dude, it sounds great. Oh, the engine's tight. Let her run out of gas. Not bad at all. All right, guys, lots of wiring and adjustments and stuff, but we will.
Guess you can push the throttle if you
Yeah,
want.
we gotta show it starting with the key. Yeah, we had to change the signal. But she is starting with the key now. Go ahead. See if we can get it to tam chop. I mean, it sounds amazing. Got it all the way down. Let's see if it'll chop a little bit. That's the muffler, guys. That's not the engine rattling. Lieutenant Dan is alive, boys. And starting with the key. Today's a good day. All right, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Definitely nice to hear Lieutenant Dan pop off, and it sounds healthy. So once we can get, we got to figure out why we're not getting power to the coil, and then get the fuel system set up and
AC charged.
AC charge, and then take it down the road.
Yeah, take it down the road.
Burn tires. This thing ought to run really good, guys. I'm super excited. Maybe once we get everything running, we'll even take it down to the horsepower factory and see what kind of juice she makes.
Don't disappoint him like that.
Yeah. It ought to do all right. I mean, it's got aluminum heads and all that, so it'll do pretty good. So there you go, guys. That is the update for Lieutenant Dan, and we got lots more coming, I promise. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We will catch you on the next one.